Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Revo Uninstaller on Windows in a very simple way. How you can simply do that, just simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Revo Uninstaller. Just simply search it and then click enter. After, you're going to get an option for free download. If you click on it, then here you're going to close it, click on the free download option. And now here you're going to click on the download. After complete the download, you're going to get the folder icon. Click on it 2 times to install, run. Now close everything in your backside. There will be a permission, click yes. Now close everything in your backside and then click OK. Check I accept the agreement, then click next, next, next and install. After complete installation, now you can simply open Revo Uninstaller in your computer. As you can see, here it is, and from here you can simply install any of your unnecessary app by simply clicking on them. And now it's creating a restore point. On that occasion, I'm going to press cancel, close it right now. So yeah, this is how we can simply install any sort of apps by Revo Uninstaller. And this, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.